Hi everyone and welcome back to She Builds Her Home. Today we're talking about all about homemaking and how to make it fun. I know. Homemaking can sometimes feel like a chore. But trust me, with a little creativity and a positive attitude, it can be quite fun and even super excited. Let's get started. But first, let's talk about music. Okay. So you don't have to do the Macarena or dance the Baby Shark. I mean, unless you want to. But when you play a little bit of music, you can make it a bit of fun. Every time I put music when I'm cleaning or cooking, I get a super boost of energy and it makes the task a lot less daunting and super duper fun. Not only that, it makes it feel like the time is going so much faster and I get a lot more done in a little bit of time. So go ahead and play your favorite playlist, podcast, YouTube channel, and let's get to work. Excuse my voice. I seem to have gotten a log stuck in my throat. No animals were hurt in the making of this analogy. Next, let's talk about organizing. I know organizing can seem super daunting, but it can actually be a lot of fun. Couple this with the last tip of playing some fun and upbeat music, and organizing will become a fun and therapeutic thing to do. Don't get overwhelmed. You can work 15 minutes at a time instead of organizing your home in one go. But first, you have to declutter so that you can organize properly what you have. Don't forget to use what you already have lying around in your home as storage, whether it be empty candle jars or boxes. But if you don't have that, don't forget you can go to the $1.25 tree and get some storage for the items you do have left. This is why it's super duper important to declutter first, because that way you know exactly what to purchase for the items you have. You don't have to buy additional storage for things you're just going to donate anyway. So declutter and then organize in that order. And don't forget to play some fun and upbeat music while you're doing this. Not to mention, once you get your home organized and decluttered, it will be such an enjoyable place to work in that you will be looking forward to your next homemaking task as soon as possible. You know how this saying goes, a place for everything and everything in it. Come on, don't be shy now. All together. Everything in its place. Good job. Now it's time to get creative in the kitchen. Oh yeah. I know cooking can seem like another daunting chore, but I promised I would make this fun. So again, play your fun music and even get your family involved. When I get my boys involved, cooking can be such a joy. Okay, so maybe for the baby, it's still a little bit difficult, but my toddler absolutely loves to help me. And not only that, he gets super excited when his food is ready to eat, and it's super yummy too. Sure, they can be a little bit messy at the end, but don't forget to play the cleanup song and clean along with your littles. The more they practice, the better they get. Don't forget that practice makes progress. You could even have a family cook-off and get the whole entire family involved. This is a surefire way to make this activity more fun and less of a chore. Also, be sure to incorporate fun recipes that you're super wanting to try throughout your week in order to make this more of a fun thing. Instead of getting takeout and harming your budget and body all at the same time, try to recreate these recipes at home, where websites such as Copycat might have your favorite restaurants' recipes. Your family can get to taste the fun restaurant quality at home, your budget will be happy, and you'll have so much fun in the process. Don't forget to make it aesthetically pleasing. Food that looks good tends to taste better. Somehow. I don't know. I didn't make the rules. Are you liking this video? If so, please give it a big thumbs up. And can you please subscribe if you like this kind of content? I'm working super hard even though my voice doesn't want to be cooperating. So if you like, subscribe, and share this video, it can help my channel more than you know. All of these activities can help YouTube push this video out and grow this community and help get us monetized. So please, if you do like it. If you want to share it, please share it. And if you feel led to, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss a single video like this. We talk all about fun homemaking, productivity, and frugality in this channel. So if you like that kind of content, you're going to want to subscribe. Next, make some DIY projects. Do you see something in your home that needs some upgrading or fixing? Then get to DIYing. This is super fun and can put a stamp of creativity and self-personalization inside your home. It will make your home feel even more like a home and more cozy and inviting. Not to mention the process of making something yourself will gather a sense of accomplishment and you will feel so happy to see it. If you do have children, they can look at it and know that's something that mommy made and be oh so proud of you. It would even inspire them to make their own creative crafts. So get to DIYing for a more fun homemaking experience. Also, in order to make homemaking more fun, don't forget to rest and take breaks. Homemaking can be super duper exhausting as there's always a million and one things to do. So be sure that you're getting proper breaks in between. Take a bath, do a crossword puzzle, read a book, or just simply sitting on the couch. Whatever it is that you like to do, make sure you give yourself adequate times to rest. If you're not really good at resting, start with 15 minutes at a time. I didn't always like to rest because I thought it made me a less productive homemaker. But as time went on, I discovered how truly important it is. When I pushed myself to work without getting proper rest, I actually end up being less productive than if I had given myself that little 15-minute of rest. It does make a big difference. It's actually now one of my biggest productivity secrets as a homemaker. But if you want to know even more productivity secrets, check out this video right here where I dive into my biggest productivity secrets for homemakers. And I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.